Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Allure Beauty Box for February. Let's get into it and check it out. I have just made the executive decision to skip January. I taped my January Allure box, but because of Fabfitfun and all of the stuff that we get into, I feel like it's too late to put it up since I already have this February one. So we are going to skip ahead to February and then just be ahead of the game. We're just going to be right on time. So when we open our Allure, we have paperwork that will tell us about all of our goodies inside. That's what they look like. We did have a customization this month, so I will show you the customization I chose. I will put the information down below for Allure. I do just order it. I am in no way affiliated with Allure. They have been, I think, an amazing box lately. I think they have been just right on point. I think more than, it's about a $30 box, depending on how you sign up and if you extend it over a 6 month or a year, which you save money. It's about $30 a month, which is about the same as the Ipsy, what do we call it now? Extra? Ulta. Extra. The Ipsy Extra, which is $32, I think, or the new Fabfitfun Beauty Box, which is $29.99. That's all full size, but it's 4 things. It's right in there. Our first thing out is a little sample. That is what it looks like. It is the Sephora Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. I almost never use makeup remover because unless it's a funeral or a wedding, I don't use any waterproof mascara. If there is a funeral or a wedding that comes up, I run to the drugstore and I get the Great Lash waterproof mascara. I wear it once. I have to because I'm a crybaby, but I don't want it in my everyday life. Anyway, what I do with this, get to the point of what you do with it, Catherine. What I do with it is I use every day an eyelash curler. And I do everything except for my mascara. I do my entire eye first. So I have to clean it very well. And when I do that every couple of weeks, I use something like this. So this is a perfect size to have around for that. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It says liquid eyeliner, sparkly shadow, sweat-proof mascara. Choose your opponent, then wipe it out with this dual-phase formula. Cornflower extract and castor oil soothe and moisturize lids and lashes, while silky silicones help obliterate stubborn makeup. If it were full-sized, it would be 200 ml, and it would be an $18 value. We have 20 ml, so that's a tenth. So this is a $1.80 value. And yet I find it incredibly useful because I will use it for my eyelash curler cleanup. Next out, we have, Cuticle Roll-On Cuticle Oil in Milk and Honey. Nice. That is what that looks like. I love cuticle oil. Love it. I have used the Cuticle many times. I think I have actually even used their Milk and Honey. I had it in a big dropper bottle. I love a roll-on because I am way less likely to make a big old mess with it. This says it is a mess-free cuticle oil. Yes, please. This easy-to-use portable roller ball is filled to the brim with moisturizing milk and nourishing honey to keep dry hands hydrated long after you apply. It is a $5.69 full-sized value. Let's put a little bit on because my nails are fairly wrecked these days. So I just rolled it back and forth. I'll do the other hand when we're done, but it's just an oil. Very, very subtle scent. Almost no, my hands just absorb that. They're like, thank you, may we have another? It's such a light honey scent. Very, very light. You could wear that with any perfume, or if you have a hand cream you love and you don't want them to clash, you could totally wear this with that because it has a very light scent. Okay, next out we have Sadia, the solid perfume. This was our choice. That is big. It's kind of heavy too. This was our choice. You got to choose between 2 or 3 cents. I'm leaning toward 2. When you open it up, it's this part in the middle. Oh my goodness. This weighs nothing. This is ridiculously heavy. I mean, like, how could I always hate, I can't show you guys heavy. I just happen to do my Fabfitfun and have this sitting here. No, that's heavy doesn't translate. You're just gonna have to trust me. This is It's really, really heavy for its size. I mean, I'm not saying it's 10 pounds. I'm saying I would not be surprised if it was a pound. It is very heavy for its size. When we open it up, we have a nice little circle. I chose, what scent is this? Braless. You know what, before I smear this on myself, let's read about it. Braless or soaked, so there were two choices. Behold the chicest, most carry-on friendly fragrance on the market we've ever tried. And now in your hands, inside its sleek black compact, you'll find one of the two wax-based solid scents you chose to receive in your box. Braless, which is what I have, is a milky floral with notes of violet, vanilla cream, and musk. That sounds great. Or soaked, a warm, woody scent with notes of cypress, cedarwood, and amber. It is a $48 value, so this more than covers the cost of your box. Oh, I like that. Put just a little bit on. It's a wax, so it doesn't give you too much shine. Let's see how much scent there is. Sometimes the waxy ones, there's not a lot of scent, and they don't always stay as long. Oh, that smells like my husband. It's very nice. It's lovely. To my way of thinking, it's a little masculine for me. Yeah, I think if I told my husband this was for men, he would happily wear it. I don't think he would ever know. It's a very nice scent. I can see women that would choose to wear that. It's just not me. But it's super pretty and super chic and so weighty. It feels very posh. It's a nice posh scent. I don't know that brand. Do you guys know that brand? Okay, next out we have Ouzo Black Liquid Eyeliner. I think that I am going to leave this in its box and pass it along. I have so many black eyeliners, and I generally tightline like this with the powder thing, not with eyeliners. But here, let me show you the picture. It's just a nice silver. And it says, Ouzo Black Liquid Eyeliner, crafting the perfect cat eye takes time, patience, and practice, but this liquid liner makes mastering the skill a little easier. Its satin finish and ultrafine tip foster a smooth and precise glide across lids, while the waterproof formula ensures your work of art does not budge no matter the forecast. It is a $24 value. We get a lot of black eyeliners. Next out, we have First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. Sure, but does it have the licorice root in it that this usually has? I love the First Aid Beauty products. I could show you guys. Love them. The three that I can wear, because they put licorice root, because it's very calming, and their products are very much for sensitive skins. But I'm allergic to licorice root. Oh, it's made in the USA. It does not have licorice root in it. So I do this more in the summer than I do in the winter. And I have the Drunk Elephant ones. You guys know I love Drunk Elephant. And I put a couple drops in my moisturizer, and just gives me just the slightest glow, because I can't put too much on because your girl's pale and pink. But let's see how theirs leans. It is less gold. It's much darker. It is less gold than the Drunk Elephant. It's more of a brown tone. Oh, it goes away much quicker. It's definitely a more brown tone. This is more of a natural tanning color. See how I'm just dark? I'm just darker here than here. I don't look like I've put, to me, you've got all these lights, but to me, I don't look like I've put on something shiny to make me look like the Tin Man. It looks like I might like this. Just put some color in my moisturizer, because especially my neck, my face gets red. I'm spending my entire life covering up red on my face. It's just, I don't have rosacea, I just lean red. My neck is always super white. So this could be really cool if it truly gave me some color. That would be fantastic. Yay! I'm so happy. No licorice root. Oh, I can tell you what it says, though, for people who aren't me. It says, winter winds got you down? Fake a vacation glow with a single serum. This one, loaded with soothing niacinamide and glimmering micro pearls. The result is more subtle sheen than off-season sun-kissed, if that's what you're going for. But it's buildable. And it is a $28 value. So I think that's less expensive than the no. Drunk Elephant one too. This is another really nice box. I mean, I know that I'm rejecting a couple of things, but still love it. Okay, last out, yes. Last out we have, I have no idea, Propolis Lip Serum, Lipcerin. I don't know what that means. By CNP. Let's read about it before we get it out of there. CNP Laboratory Propolis Lip Serum. It's all one word. Don't be intimidated by this balm's thick texture. It melts down like a butter the second it hits your lips. And while we don't recommend eating it, the ingredient list is delicious, earthy, antioxidant-rich Manuka honey and anti-inflammatory resin-like propolis extract. These lead the moisture-packed list. So it is a $17.90 value. This, I feel like, is already, I'm going to say it's going to put me in the mind of what we just got in our Fabfitfun, the Fenty pudding that is this, basically. Oh, it's got tiny little paperwork in it. Yeah. The bottle is even very much the same. It's the Fenty is more rounded on the bottom. That is what it looks like. Okay, how do we get it out? Do we twist? Yes. Oh, this one doesn't click. The Fenty one clicks, and that does make it easier, but I bet it's more than $17.90. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, no. Oh, no. Okay, when you finally meet resistance, you get a bunch out of there. Yeah, this is very much, oh, it's thicker than the pudding. This is very much in the same mind as the pudding. I am done with this box and I am done making videos, so I just have a matte lippy on. We're gonna put it right over it. Oh, that was way too much. Feels really good though. It melted instantly into a really nice, just, Oh, I like it. And you know, every time I do a matte and I come up here and then I end up putting a gloss on top of it and I think, why do I ever just come up with a matte? I really prefer a glossy lip. Okay, this there's already more coming out. This very, very much puts me in the mind of the Fenty pudding. The Fenty packaging is a little bit better, but this is $17.90 and I'm guessing the Fenty is much more than that. But it's very light. It is incredibly sweet. There's an absolute sweet flavor to it, but that is what that looks like. And it says you can get it at Ulta. If I were forced to recommend one, I think I like the Fenty better because it feels like it's gonna stay. I'm using the Fenty at night. Like I used to use my Laneige because it's just so much easier with the nice little component that it's in. This feels more like a gloss. It melted down so quickly that I don't feel like it would stay on my lips all night long. It feels very much like if you put a lip oil on or a gloss. The Fenty one gets down in there like you've put a mask on there. This is a very different feel. So I guess technically it's very different. Perfect. Okay, if you're looking for a gloss, I recommend this one. If you know, something to use during the day over lippies, I recommend this one. If you want something to really hydrate and last all night to keep your lips, then the Fenty one. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. That is my entire, perfect, Allure box. I love it. I will try the First Aid Beauty. I will absolutely use that and see if I look tanner. I will use the eye makeup remover to clean my eye curler, the Cuticle oil. I was gonna say you wouldn't even know I used it because my nails soaked it up so much, but you can't. My nails are in such terrible shape. I hate to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you for the sake of the game. This is the one I put it on and this is the one I didn't. And look at my cuticle. See how this one looks and this one's still white? I mean, it really made a difference. Okay, I will absolutely use that. I will see if I can get my husband to use that perfume. It's very nice. The scent is, yeah, no, the scent is very lovely. It definitely smells like my husband, not me. I'll pass along. My daughter loves black eyeliners. And then the lips. Yeah, absolutely great box. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. I hope you have a fantastic evening. I hope you're enjoying the Olympics. I am loving the Olympics. Having a hard time focusing on working because I just want to be watching the Olympics. That was the Allure box for February. It's pretty early in the month, so you can still pick it up. I'll link it down below. I will see you again in a couple days. If you don't subscribe, I hope you'll consider doing so, and you can hit the little notification bell, let you know when I have more videos coming out. I'll see you in a couple days. Take care, guys.